This video is for ME366J Exam 1. The topic is Idea Generation by me, Melissa D'Almeida. In my opinion, a main way to generate a wealth of ideas is to focus on function and what the solution needs to do, rather than what form or shape the solution could take. Through research, I developed a list of cardinal rules I think everyone should keep in mind when generating ideas. First, no judgment. You should never criticize someone else's ideas. Second, present all ideas you come up with, no matter how silly or small you might think they are. Third, feel free to build off of or add to someone else's idea. Input is always welcome. It's a safe space. Fourth, strive for both quality and quantity when coming up with ideas. You can never have too many choices. Lastly, always try to keep in mind the problem at hand. Ensure that your solutions are actually tackling your problem. There are a lot of generation methods that are effective, some of which are listed here. Today we'll focus on the 6-3-5 method, where the first number represents amount of members, the second number represents quantity of ideas, and the third number represents number of rounds. This will all make sense in a second. To keep things simple for this tutorial, we're going to lessen the numbers to 4-3-3. This method starts by each group member generating 3 ideas, including sketches and short descriptions on separate sheets of paper. After a few minutes have gone by, everyone will pass their papers clockwise. Now the next person will add and build off the initial ideas drawn. Make sure to avoid any negative comments. This process will repeat 3 times until each set of papers ends up with their creator. The end result of this exercise is the creation of 12 new ideas with input from everyone on the team. Some of these ideas might look like the following. This example is tackling the problem of how can I stop losing my keys. One idea might be to put a device on a keyring that can be pinged via a phone app. Another less technology-based solution might be to tie the keys to a string that can attach to your person, or to have a designated hook in your house so that they're always in the same place. After rotating the papers, another member in the group might add that it should play music when getting pinged and have rechargeable batteries. And the second idea should be a bracelet with a retractable reel for ease of access. And the last idea can be improved by making the hook decorative and located near the front door to easily catch the eye. Now rotating the papers for a third time, the next team member might suggest to make the system compatible with the smartwatch and have rechargeable batteries. The second idea can be improved by making a neutral bracelet to go with everyday clothes and choosing a strong material for durability. And the last idea could be wired to the front door so an alarm sounds until the keys are placed back on the hook when you get home. If nothing else, a key takeaway from idea generation should be quantity is key. As Linus Pauling said, the best way to have good ideas is to have a lot of bad ones. You're more likely to find an idea worth running with on a long list of ideas rather than a short list. Lastly, remember to nurture creative ideas. You need to create a safe, judgment-free environment. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.